Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Rosabella Wine Club membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are some rules. If you want to cancel your subscription or membership within 3 months of joining, you need to pay $50 of cancellation fee. Okay, or if you are not going to use their two shipments, then you have to pay $50 fees. But if you have already used their membership for 3 months, or if you have taken two shipments, then you can cancel your subscription very easily. You just need to simply compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, or you can take help from ChatGPT. Once your email is done, you need to ask in the end of the email like proof of cancellation. Okay, and once you done this email, you need to send this email at their email address is listed on their official website also, info@rosabellawinery.com. Okay, you need to send this email at their email address, and once they receive your email, they will cancel your membership. But make sure you need to follow these things. Written request to cancel membership must be received 15 days prior to the first month to guarantee cancel. Okay, so basically you need to provide your cancellation 14 days prior. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.